Not gonna lie, I'm very much impressed. Imagine this wig came like this. What black lady y'all got that there styling your hair, Ashimary? No, Ashimary, you did your big one with this wig. So I'm going out tonight and I'm really excited for this wig. See out the box, I can tell it it's really nicely pre-plucked. Already comes like pre-styled in the side part, pre-curled for you. Perfect for just out the box wear, honestly. And I'm happy because it has little glueless tabs, but this time they put it on for you at first, because sometimes putting on these glueless tabs is really hard. It has the new wig construction, so like drawstring bottom to get perfect fit, get it to fit you perfectly. It has little sticky grooves on the bottom as well for security. Has a clip on the bottom and some clips here on the side as well. In here, some side clips, one here, one here, and one here, and your branded Ashimary tab. Before I like style it for real, I just want to see what she looks like on my head before I like get into the details. Let's just put her on real quick. Okay. All right. Comes with the baby hairs already like done for you and everything. Oh, this is about to be an easy install. I'm here thinking I have to do something for real. Maybe, okay, you know what? I'm gonna do my makeup and like get ready and then put the wig on last, since like I don't have to do too much. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup first and come back. Okay, makeup is done. I literally have like 30 minutes or less to get out of here. So let's see how fast this wig really is to install out of the box. First thing I'm gonna do is tint the lace, always, because this lace will never be your exact forehead shade unless you tint it. And I'm using Maple, which is I think right now the closest shade to my forehead. I feel like wigs are, these are good for like, you know, you got somewhere, you got an event you're going to, you don't know how to curl your hair, you don't have what a style, you want to pay a stylist. Like, you know, even when you pay a stylist to style your wig, you still gotta like style it again later, which is the same thing with this, because you still gotta style it again once you wash it. But like for the first install, at least you know you good, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to tint everywhere, which ain't no wig cap or nothing. I'm so funny. Take the tag off and just slide it right on. Ooh. Shift it to get everything to fit. Get that clip on there. Also too, you gotta make sure you pull that drawstring in the back. This is a part that's always hard for me. It's the sticky tabs, like getting them off. And then just pull it down and stick it with my finger. Okay, and it has like a little like feathered baby hair action. Okay. Okay, Ashimary, they thinking of everything with this one. And stick it. Really press it down. Not gonna lie, I'm very much impressed. Caroline is impressed. Okay. It's not bad, guys. Guys, it's actually quite nice. Okay, I'm actually very impressed right now, but gotta do some tweaking. It's actually very nice, guys. And imagine, it's not even 7:30. Like, wow. And like, you see, like, it's like it's all glueless right here. You can probably like see like the lace a little bit right here, just a bit. But the bang, I'm gonna use that to cover it, so you won't even see that. And then the baby hairs too. No, Ashimary, you did your big one with this wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead and touch up these curls. Touch up the curls. I'm gonna use my air wrap tool. You can use a regular curler, and all these curls are going away from your face. Just make sure you're curling away from your face, but like upwards. Use my hand to like fluff everything, and then hot comb to smoothen everything out to my head shape. Not gonna lie, what black lady y'all got back there styling your hair, Ashimary? Were y'all watching tutorials? Cause this is very well styled. Cause usually when I like brush out like pre-curled wigs, I expect the curls to like, kind of fall immediately sometimes, but this one is really staying together. Okay, so you can have it like this if you want, or you can like, you know, drop that bang down. So I'm dressed, final look, and I gotta say I'm really impressed. Oh, tea, y'all, like I'm obsessed. What? There we go. So tea. This is so tea. Like, imagine this wig came like this. I ain't do nothing. Okay, I did something, but I didn't layer it. I didn't curl it. Okay, I curled it. I guess it came just like this. So tea, like, turned out. Definitely would say if you're looking for like a wig that you can just throw on out the box, this is her, this is she. You ain't gotta do too much for her to look like something. And that I'm very happy with. I'll let you guys know how the wig holds up though, because you know that's also what's really important. It's not always about the initial. But for a little out the box 1212, she is T. She's cute. I like her. Okay, get going. Got to go. Literally got done on time. Love that for me.
3 weeks later. LOL. I told you guys I was going to come back to give you a proper review because I felt like, I don't know, I just don't feel right just like telling you out the box because you got to get your money's worth to know what you're getting. But this is how the wig was looking after 3 weeks of me wearing it as consistently as I can without washing it yet. I was getting ready to go out for an event, so I was just like kind of recurling the curls. I will say this hair holds a really good curl and it does have a really nice luster and shine to it. Like curling it is super easy and just looks like you'll see like super shiny. When I run my fingers through, like the curls are nice and bouncy. I didn't have to use any hairspray. The only downside I'll really say is that like the hair, especially towards the back, because I have been sleeping in this wig to really get like a good like review for you guys. The hair towards the back kind of like snags a lot. I don't know what that is. Like it starts to snag and tangle up a little bit in the back. It's nothing too crazy, I suppose, but it is worth noticing and mentioning. But I still love it over 3 weeks later. It looks really good. I haven't washed it yet. The lace is one of my favorite things about it. I love the way the hairline is designed and the baby hairs. I'm not even someone who likes their side part on this side, but they did such a good job that I don't even mind it. And the layers, honestly, is my actually best part about this hair. Like, I know how to layer my hair, but they layered it honestly better than I would. Like, whenever I curl the hair, it just looks so freaking good. But that's really all I have for you guys to say. I guess this is, remember that this is like my review based on it being sent to me as a wig influencer. So I can only speak on my honest reviews and my experience. But at the end of the day, I always like when you guys buy the hair yourself and come on here and leave your experiences. But from what I've gone through, I feel like it's a good wig. It's affordable. It's perfect for beginners. It's easy to use. Look how cute I look. But that's all I have for you guys. And with that said,
I'll see you guys in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out, Girl Scouts. Goodbye.